Ito ang aming sulat.
Guba Sorsogon, August 9, 2008. The Principal, Guba National High School, Guba Sorsogon. Sir, Madam, greetings of peace and love. Our environment is in absolute jeopardy that needs an immediate attention. In connection with this, we, the students and fellow youth of Guba, would like to ask assistance from your office. We would like to conduct a campaign that would encourage each and every person in this school, including teachers and faculty personnel, to participate in promoting a harmonious environment. We are hoping for your immediate approval of this request. Thank you and God bless. Sincerely yours, the students. Doggy bark, bark, doggy, doggy, ow, ow, doggy, doggy, bark, bark, bark. We are the dogs group.
Ito po ang aming sulat para sa mga mayor ng Sorsogon.
Rizal Guba Sorsogon, August 9, 2008. The Municipal Mayor. Honorable Mayor, greetings of love and peace. We, the delegates who attended the environmental seminar at St. John the Baptist Chapel in Rizal Guba Sorsogon from August 8 to 10, 2008, would like to greet your good performance in serving the community. But we also have some proposals to help Mother Earth, especially our community that is suffering from different environmental problems such as global warming and climate change. These appeals and proposals include your support for all youth organizations. We know that we have already implemented programs concerning our environment, but somehow it seems that nothing has changed. The reason for this is lack of attention from the government. We are asking for your continuous support, not just through financial, but also your sincere moral support. You should not only make and implement laws, rather we must also focus on these laws every now and then. Not just today, this year, or next year, but also all throughout your term. Thank you and God bless. Sincerely yours, Defense Over Global Warming Organization, or GLOB. C-A-R-A-B-A-O, Carabao. Boom Carabao, boom Carabao, 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 boom, boom, boom.
This is our letter to the barangay captain.
Republic of the Philippines, Society of Guba, Barangay Rizal, August 9, 2008. To the Barangay Captain. Concerned Youth Organization of Guba Sorsogon are requesting from your youth office to conduct a seminar for basic orientation for environment and workshop to educate youth about the following. First, solid waste management. Second, global warming. Third, pollution. And fourth, other related problems. We are requesting this because we are aware of what's happening to our environment. We are hoping for your cooperation and consideration regarding this matter. Thank you. Sincerely yours, Youth Organization.
Ang bagsak.
Meow, 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 meow. We are the cooling team, presenting the group to team. We fight you, we kick you, we choose you as losers, 'cause we are the cooling team. Meow, meow, meow.
letter to the governor of the province of Sorsogon.
Commission and Youth sa St. Anthony of Padua Parish, Lugar, Sorsogon, August 9, 2008. Honorable Sally Lee, Governor, Province of Sorsogon. Madam, greetings of peace. The group of Youth Ministry of our municipality would like to suggest an ordinance regarding the issues about the state of our environment. It aims to protect and beautify our community. This is due to the continuous destruction of our Mother Earth because of the improper waste disposal and the lack of discipline of people. It includes the community service of the youth every month, solid waste segregation. Someone is caught doing improper waste disposal will be given a warning, but if you repeat it 3 times, that person will find. And if someone cut off trees, he or she should replace it. And the barangay should have trash to art project which teaches the youth and the adults how to convert trash to a masterpiece. Therefore, we solemnly ask for your approval, support, and the immediate implementation of this ordinance. Thank you. May God bless you. Very truly yours.
Sang bagsak. Okay.